Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review, I want to talk to you about Lootup.me. Now this is a get paid to site where you get paid to carry out certain tasks. Now these are very, very simple tasks like watching videos, answering surveys, taking quizzes, shopping online. They do have some weekly contests in here, some monthly contests. You can enter some giveaways and you'll have a wheel that you actually spin daily. So we'll jump inside. I'll show you some of the tasks that you actually can carry out, also how much you can earn by doing these various tasks. And if you're interested, later in the video I'm going to talk to you about how I make money online, which I think is a little bit better use of your time if you're going to be using sites like this. So guys, let's jump in here. Get paid to sites are very popular. If I actually look at Lootup on Trustpilot, it's had 4,592 reviews, and most of them are quite good. I read some of these reviews. They are a little bit odd, the way that some of them are worded, but in fairness, most of them are quite good, and I've just got to trust that Trustpilot are actually reviewing these and making sure they're genuine. If I go back to the actual site itself, and we jump inside, what you have here is a dashboard, and on the front of the dashboard, it's got mainly how much you'll earn straight away. So if I look at the Earn tab here, it's going to tell me that for $5 I need to earn 5,000 points. For $10 it's going to be 10,000. For $25 it's going to be 25,000, and for $50 it's going to be 50,000 points. Now you can actually withdraw when you get to the 1,000 point mark, and you can withdraw every time you earn $1. Now they do say on the actual front page that you're going to get $5 straight away for signing up. The reality of that is it says here, once you reach 10,000 points in less than 29 days, you'll get your 5,000 reward, which is that $5. So in reality, you have to earn 10,000 points before you even go ahead and get that $5. Now there is various ways that you can actually earn on here. They do ask you to do things like verify your email. Now strangely enough, I've actually been a member of this site and tried to verify my email multiple times, and I can't do it because it's not sending me an email. So I'm not quite sure if that's a glitch at my end, but just be aware that that might be an issue. They have some other tasks here, such as subscribe to the push notifications, watch a video for 10 points, enter a giveaway. Then you can visit them on Facebook, visit them on Instagram. These are very, very small amounts of points. Visit them on TikTok, visit them on YouTube, and visit them on Twitter. All I would need to do is click on one of these, for instance, go on to Twitter, and once I've visited them, had a look, I can come back. That task is now complete, and I should go up and I've got some more points rewarded. So basically they are rewarding points, and I've seen that they are actually paying out once you do the various tasks. Now basically what else you have on here is some other ways to earn money before we get to the main categories. So you can spin the wheel. Now once a day you get an opportunity to spin this wheel, and it's going to give you some free points. You can actually enter their giveaways. I've entered the 100,000 and the 125,000 giveaway, and all you do is go in and you actually put your details into here, and you go straight into their giveaway for that particular week. You can also go ahead and enter any of these giveaways, and all you need to do each time is enter each of these giveaways, and they'll give you some points anyway in advance because you're sharing your details with these various giveaways. I just go back just to prove that these are actually working. And what that did in that case, it took some points off me to actually enter that giveaway. So there's one way you can earn some more money, just by going into their giveaway section. Now you can complete your profile here. This is where I can't actually verify my email address, so it is a bit of an issue for me. And then you can come down to the participate in the surveys. Now surveys are always interesting because a lot of times you have to spend so much time putting in your initial details before they decide whether you are going to be applicable for certain surveys. That is very timely. When I've been doing this, it's taking me anything up to 20 minutes to 45 minutes just to complete one survey. Now, these surveys are not really going to get you that much. If it takes me nearly an hour once I got my pre-qualification and to take the survey for 900 points, that's only going to be $1. So that's why sometimes these sites are a little bit problematic, but in that they do pay you money, but it's very, very low. So you just need to be aware that you're not going to actually make any good kind of income online doing these types of sites. They are just a bit of fun for you to kind of while away your time, which I think you can do better things with. But there you are. You can go ahead and do all of these different types of surveys, all of which are different types of points. The harder they are to qualify for, like Nielsen is an established company that does surveys, you're going to have to put a lot of detail into those surveys to make sure they're actually accepted. They're not just going to let you put any old detail in there. The other thing you can do is watch videos, which is always interesting to me. if I just go ahead and I watch some of these videos, it'll tell you how you can actually get rewarded for watching these videos and what the reward video network is like. Hideout TV is a very popular one of these that provide these. So if I go ahead and look at, say, this Pet Clips one, I'll try and start earning on this one. I'll agree, and if I watch this video, then I'll actually get awarded some points. Now it's super, super low. So basically, I'm going to sign up for this.
I came across this park. It's called the Neil E. Robinson Park.
And I did watch a little bit of a video, and you can see here I can then redeem the balance for my earnings for watching that particular video. And basically, you just need to go ahead and keep watching videos to gain money on your Loot Me Up account. You can see here I've earned an extra 10 on here. I've spent quite a lot of mine on actually entering various contests at the moment to see if they actually work. You can spend a lot of time watching these videos. They're about a minute so long. You get 10 points. You know, it's not really a great use of your time, but that's what you can do as far as earning money with videos. Other things you can do is complete some offers. So if I have a Shudder trial here, you need to go ahead and complete this offer to get 2,000 points. Let's go over to Shudder, and basically it's a 7-day trial, and then it goes on to a $4.75 month, cancel any time. Now the way they make money, by the way, on these sites is that they're affiliates basically for all of these different sites. So everything you join, they get a percentage or a commission for how you actually get to join this particular site off the guys over at Shudder. So they make quite a lot of money while you go ahead and get some free trials. But these were going to be free trials anyway if you just come straight to the site. So that's the way that you can earn some money by doing that. $4.75 per month. That's equivalent. Have a look at the $5 for 5,000 points, and they're going to give you 2,000 points to do this. It's about $2.50 they're going to give you back. So if you did want to join Shudder, might be worth it. Again, 5,000 points for War Thunder. I just come along to War Thunder, and I'm going to go and join War Thunder and register for this and start playing War Thunder, and I'm going to get 5,000 points. So, you know, these can build up, but they're not going to be, again, substantial. The other thing you can do is sign up to these offers here. Again, more games, more different types of offers. Go Henry, Nielsen's, surveys, etc. Some more free offers here that you can go on, but of course these are going to be free at the front end. There are some mobile app offers that you can join. Some shopping offers. So if I want this shavedkit.com, come along here again, click on this, and they've disabled actually this one. I didn't notice that. Let's go back and have a look at Simply Cook. If I wanted to join Simply Cook, I can come over to Simply Cook, join this. Again, for some reason, that's not working. So some slightly problematic with some of these and not being kept up to date. Let's try Skinny Beach and go ahead and join this one. Now I did join this one and I filled out all of the different criteria, but I can't see any points have actually been added, these 3,000 points, to my overall totals. So some of these, I'm not quite sure what they're doing here. They're just being repeated, some of these offers. So basically, guys, what you're going to do is spend a lot of time filling out surveys, going through these various tasks, entering giveaways, giving your details away, joining other sites. Lots of different registrations are needed to get your points here for what I think is a very, very low amount of reward. $5 for 5,000 points. You could take weeks trying to get some of these amounts of points for a very, very limited amount of money. But more to the point, it's going to take you a lot of your time. Each time you do a survey, it's going to take you about an hour. And that to me is far too much time on something that's going to pay you that low. But if that's your thing, then cool. Lootup seems to be legitimate. It has got its problems. If I look at Trustpilot, it looks like it does actually pay you money. And people are using this service. When I look at some of the contests, there are people that are actually using this quite a lot and using a lot of time on it to make some money. You can see here the various weekly and monthly contests. Some of these folks are doing a lot of these offers. And like this guy's done 969 offers, must be his full-time job. They're obviously making some money. Now, as I say, if this is for you, go ahead and join lootup.me. It could be a good option for you. Now, guys, the way that I actually make money is slightly different from this. I use a model called affiliate marketing. Now, if I just show you what I actually do every day, basically you provide content to people and you share it on places like Facebook, blogging, YouTube, you might have a Pinterest account, and you actually get people to come over to a landing page where they can sign up for various offers, through an affiliate link, and they can actually buy products that you are recommending as an affiliate. It's a very, very good way for you to actually make some proper money online, because you're being given a commission for selling other people's products. If that interests you and you would like to learn how to actually build a business with affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below to the School of Nomads. I got a completely free affiliate bootcamp there for you that'll help you get started and really understand the power of affiliate marketing and how much better it is to spend your time using this type of method to earn money online than it is to use these kind of get paid to sites, which quite frankly, you're going to spend a lot of time with very, very little return. Just a suggestion for you guys, lootmeup.me is a legitimate GPT site. It is going to pay you out a very low amount for a lot of effort, but if that's your thing, I hope this was valuable to you so you understand exactly what kind of offers are on that site. Until next time, guys, take care.